Hey, good morning, the great USA. I'm Raja from India. Created this YouTube channel for educational purpose only. I am a real experienced professional trader since 2007 in Indian market, and I am a teacher for stock market education in India. I have also worked as a sub-broker in India from 2022 to 2025. So I have a lot of experience in this field, and I am trying to share my experience with you. This is an introduction video from me, and I want to share my experience. I want to say something about myself. Actually, if you have right process, if you have right strategy, then you have a lot of things in this field. If you have right process, if you have right strategies, you can do trading in every market, in every country's stock market. So there are some strategies, there are some rules and regulation you have to follow it. Okay, as a disclaimer, I am not SEBI registered analyst in India, and I don't run any advisory service in India. So I posted a lot of video in social media just regarding for educational purpose only. So I created this YouTube channel for awareness, for educational purpose, and you may have faced some pronunciation issues because I am not from USA. I am from India. So you have to manage it, and actually YouTube give some facilities to us. You can update your settings in language section. So I think that this is not very most difficult things in this video. So try to follow this channel for education, for trading ideas, and you can follow this channel, you can follow my opinions, but don't trade as per my view, because I am not any registered research analyst. I have experience of 19 years, that's true, but I don't run any advisory service. Yes, I teach students in India, offline, online, both. And if you want to join my course, maybe that's US stocks, maybe that's Indian stocks, you can do that. There was no problems. So please stay tuned, share with your loved ones, share with your friend circle, and I will try to give daily one video regarding US market, US stocks, price actions, or many educational videos I will try to post in this channel. That's all. So please stay with us.